Hello there, peeps. It's been a long time since I did a motovlog, isn't it? Today's Sunday, and here in Houston we just passed through the worst winter event that we've had in a little while. Since last week Monday, polar vortex came down, and we were all froze up, and state of emergency and everything. My house suffered one broken pipe as of Monday last week. I see people are doing some cleanup now. One broken pipe, which I managed to get only fixed only on Wednesday, because the roads were too bad to travel on for the plumber. But I got my water back as of Wednesday, and Wednesday also we lost power for 11 hours. There's a lot of people in Texas who had a lot more problems than we did. They lost water and they lost power for a lot longer than us. But oh well. Hopefully, after there's an inquiry into the management of the power grid, and hopefully that'll get sorted out, and there'll be some answers and there'll be some improvements. Needless to say, I didn't go for a ride in a long time until yesterday when I took the S1000 out, and today I'm taking the RS out for a little bit of a ride, and to share some of my thoughts in this motovlog. But I haven't ridden this RS in a while. I'm gonna go get some gas now. Oh, we are on the State Highway 149 right now, and continuing our little exercise ride for the RS. I'm thinking I might go up to Willis. I might take a little break at the Scotts Ridge recreational area, and then go across Lake Conroe and into Willis, and then come back on the highway up to 1488. And maybe come back through there. We'll see how it goes. I'm not feeling too warm. I put the windshield in the lower position, but I did make a mistake and wear my winter gloves. So it's 72 degrees out, and I've got winter gloves on. My jacket, I don't have any mesh panels open, but I've got the two vents in front open, and that's doing a little bit, making a little bit of difference. When I get to Scotts Ridge or wherever I'm going to stop, I'm probably going to open some more. But today I'm trying out my Rev'It riding overpants. This is a great piece of kit. These pants are lined, and they're actually quite warm. And I'm not wearing any pants underneath, so I just have the overpants with the liner on, because I knew it was going to be kind of warm, and I just wanted to try it out. But this is, I think, probably the second time in its life that I'm wearing it, and I've had this thing for I don't know, 4 years at least. So it's been hanging in the closet, because I just used to wear the Rev'It jacket that I had, which actually I've retired, but I still have it. That was in the accident in 2016, and that jacket is no longer used, but it's still usable. I've been paid for it during the with the insurance settlement, and but I never did wear the pants, because it was, I think, a little too snug over my work pants. But I'm riding it today, and I like it. Worn like this is perfect, you know, with no pants underneath. So that's great. The weather today is kind of overcast. Yesterday was gorgeous. It was cooler, but with a nice blue sky. Today is warmer, and as you can see, the sky is not so nice and clear, but we had a 20% chance of rain today, and we haven't had any rain yet, so keeping our fingers crossed that there's no rain in this ride anyway. But we're passing through, we're going into Montgomery County now. Some beautiful properties around here actually. It's kind of boring actually around Houston, because Houston is pretty flat, so not a heck of a lot. And the trees are kind of like what you see here. They're nothing special, and in winter they just kind of look brown. Sky looks better here. Haha. I'm still stuck behind some traffic, but it was even worse than this a little while ago. But we're starting to get a little bit more country now, so a little bit prettier, a little bit more hilly. Still nothing to write home about though. Lake Conroe. And here we are, Scotts Ridge recreational area. I'm going to turn left here, and the recreational area. This is part of the Sam Houston National Forest. The recreational area is actually closed, but the boat ramp is still open. So we're gonna just go there and have a quick look around. Maybe throw the drone up in the air if the conditions are good. Let's see. The road here is not the best. Now the recreational area is to the left. So you've got picnicking and swimming and whatnot, but it's closed. Here, no picnicking, no swimming, no alcohol, no camping. And this is the boat ramp. A lot of people come out here to do some fishing, as the washroom is right there. It's pit latrine, so no water. Nice day for a ride. So all the Harley riders are going to be out, because you know they only ride in the sunny weather. Seems as though it's nice. I don't feel any breeze, so maybe we'll throw the drone up, get some shots. Ha. I'll see. I'll park right here. Well, here I am at Scotts Ridge, and I'm going to take the drone up for a little flight and see how that works out. It's not too windy here right now, and it's actually pretty good conditions for a flight. There's a view of the little beach area here. It's not really a beach area, it's just a good put in for the canoes, and you can see the fishermen. Sometimes you can see the fishermen in kayaks actually launching from here as opposed to the boat ramp. But not bad. This here, all the boats, parking lot, and then there's a washroom right there. Very important. So yeah, let's take this up for a little flight and see what we see from above. Well, I'm back after a short flight. While I was flying the one battery and actually coming back, this other rider, motorcycle rider, stopped by and started to chat. So I kind of had to concentrate, bring the drone back, land it, and then, you know, we continued having a good old discussion. So not much in terms of aerial photography because I got interrupted by this guy, but it was a good chat and he was on a gold wing. So it was nice. Now it's time to head on back home, and I'm gonna head through Willis and then go back on the highway and possibly go down to 1488 and then Huffsmith-Corville back to my house. This is the I-45, Sunday afternoon traffic. just exited the I-45 onto the 1488 and gonna go through some built-up areas now, so I'll pick this up in a little while. Well, I hope you liked this little vlog. Not much of a vlog, actually. I didn't do a lot of talking, and you're probably grateful for that. Hopefully I've got some decent footage. Just a couple of things that I wanted to mention before I go is I've got the 4th video for the 6,000 mile service for the S1000R coming up. Probably not going to be able to release that for until next Sunday though, because I actually because of last week's winter debacle, I didn't get any chance to do any work in the garage. It was so bloody cold. Now it's going to be much better, so I would say next weekend I should be able to do the 4th installment on the service, and I'll post that up. Other than that, I mean, I've got to get some motor camping in. I don't know what the weather is going to be next weekend as well. Maybe I'll be able to get one in, but we'll have to see. Other than that, I don't have too many plans at this moment for the channel, so just the odd video as you've come to expect, and that's about it. Hopefully we don't have any more winter weather like what we had last week, and I can get out more and get more riding in, maybe some vlogging in, and that kind of thing. So let's see how it goes. This is the nicest S-bend in this whole little trip. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever a new video comes up. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Keep the shiny side up, take care, stay safe.